the ecosystem is a way to weaponize this concept of data compounding on itself. And so as you end up with more people in the platform, you end up with more points of refinement all along the way. And so at least in our estimation, as you again think in terms of the bigger picture for the business, they're trying to understand, how do I set my rates? How do I understand the market? Is it a good time to sell? Is it a good time to buy? What are the indicators that suggest that those things are true? And as the ecosystem is kind of playing off of itself, it allows you to just continue to fine-tune the precision of that information. And so if you think in terms of as the ecosystem has grown, and now you're starting to say, okay, now you've got 8 million units that are currently on the platform, and the people that are ultimately now using it to make decisions have 8 million touch points to determine whether or not those particular things are as credible as they thought they were. And so as an example, right, if you're thinking about it in the context of, I understand how I'm sitting in my marketplace, how much more would that information be valuable if I could understand now what type of housing stock is being impacted in the marketplace? There may be open source data pieces that relate to where we're going with some of the additional products that say, well, I understand now that certain U-Hauls are coming in from California at a pace of X, Y, or Z, and I understand that certain U-Hauls are leaving Arizona at a pace of X, Y, and Z. So the question is, like, how do you begin to use open source data coupled with market data, coupled with all the information that's core data in terms of the ecosystem itself? And now all of those things build on one another to tell me it's a good time to actually make an acquisition, or it's a good time to pursue a rehab positioning, repositioning strategy. Those types of things are how the information just continues to build on itself, and it continues to kind of provide information in ways that are precise, unlike anything that we've been able to use prior.